In China, we started off the year with the lowest temperature ever recorded there. It was minus 53 degrees. But fast forward to July and we broke the record again in China, plus 52 Celsius. That was the highest temperature ever recorded. So huge swings over 100 Celsius through the course of the year. But yeah, we're ending the year back on that really cold note. Minus 47 Celsius has been recorded. There's 11 centimetres of snow at the moment in Beijing. And the cold weather that's been gripping the north is going to spread its way gradually further south across the east of China. So even in Hong Kong, things are looking cold over the next week or so. But to contrast that to what we've got here, because it's very mild and the weather not changing in a hurry as we head into the weekend. Fairly breezy, quite a lot of cloud around out there. And although most of us are going to be dry, there is some rain and some windy conditions on their way across the northwest of the UK. That's down to the fact that we've got a couple of weather fronts that are moving in. This one's a warm front today with us, but high pressure holds on down towards the southwest. So that squeezes away most of the rain. A lot of cloud out there through the rest of the afternoon, but some glimpses of blue sky here and there, perhaps parts of northeast England, North Wales, perhaps down towards the southwest as well. We've got this breeze coming in from the southwest and that's just helping up to break up that cloud a little bit. We have got some rain. It's fairly light and patchy across the northwest of Scotland out there, and most of us 11 or 12 degrees, but in the east only around about 8 or 9, so slightly cooler air there. Through this evening and tonight, then we've still got a little patchy light rain across the northwest of Scotland. Most of us looking dry. There's enough cloud and breeze around to keep things frost-free. So temperatures tomorrow morning around about 6 to 10 for most of us, but in the southeast and East Anglia with that slightly cooler air could be down to about 3 or 4. So a little bit of a chilly start there, but look at the air mass that's with us right across the UK. The orange colours, a southwesterly breeze importing this mild air mass, colder air in the far north, and where those two air masses meet, that's where we've got weather fronts moving in to the northwest. So through the day tomorrow, the rain becomes a bit heavier and more persistent across parts of Highland, the Western Isles, for instance, as well. Could be the odd spot of rain further south, perhaps Northern Ireland, the Cumbrian Fells, but further south and east, you should stay dry. And it'll be a little bit warmer, so temperatures across the board, particularly in the east, back up into double figures, around about 11 to 13 degrees or so. Doesn't change much overnight. Let's focus in on the northwest of Scotland because this weather front is going to continue to produce rain. In fact, we could see up to 175 millimetres. There's an amber warning in force for that heavy rain from the north of Highland right down towards Argyll and Bute as well. Could well see some flooding during the course of Sunday there. Some rain also for parts of Northern Ireland, perhaps Northern England as well, whereas further south you're more likely to see another dry day with perhaps a little bit more sunshine and certainly still mild. And as we head through Monday into Tuesday, still some weather fronts around. This one on Tuesday could be a bit of a troublemaker, so it's unsettled but it's reasonably mild over the next week or so. Ben.
Okay.